Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to E46 channel. So today is gonna be a fun video, but very important for your car. I'm gonna try and install. I know I tried once and I failed, but I'll try to make sure that I succeed this time. So I got this tie rod because the outer tie rod end in my BMW is bad. It's making a lot of noise and I'm gonna show you that later on another video. But I got this tie rod from Napa, thinking they have a good quality over there. I was expecting Lamforder or another good brand from them, but then I got Sidem. Sidem, I don't know how you guys say that. It's a Belgium brand and they say they've been in the market for like over 15 or 20 years, and it's a good brand. Anyway, so it doesn't come with the grease fitting. Why I need the grease fitting is because I don't know if there is much grease inside the tie rod here, because I tried to push this down, it went all the way in, so I can show you again. And looks like there is just a little bit of grease, which I know if it doesn't come out, it's gonna stay there, it can do the job, but why not extending its life by just adding a grease fitting? So I'm just gonna center punch here, and let's go ahead and see what tools we're gonna need here. So we need a vise to hold that or something else, whatever. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, that should be good right there. Okay, so you don't need to tighten it too much, because it's just snug, like you don't want to damage the housing or the knuckle here. Anyway, so for this job we are going to use a center punch, so just to get started, and then a couple of a few actually of drill bits, metal drill bits, and make sure that the last drill bit you use is the correct one. Like measure the diameter of this one, and that is a 732, so, and looks like the right size. But before I attempt to drill with this one, I have another smaller size here. Anyway, so we're gonna start with the smallest, and then we're gonna work our way up to the correct size. And we're gonna need a hammer to punch in the center of it, and then we're gonna need a DeWalt drill to drill through it. Next, of course, we're gonna use glasses for our own protection, and a grease gun, which is very important. So if you don't have one of these, then it's pointless to attempt to do this job. Something else that I'm gonna be using is this magnets I'm gonna put around the tie rods where we're gonna drilling, so all the shavings are gonna get caught up by the magnets instead of going inside and damaging the new tie rod. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and make our center here. That's perfect. So done with the center punch and the hammer. Now I'm gonna start with the smallest, because I think the reason why I failed the first attempt was because I was using a bigger drill bit. There. And now the time to put the magnets around. Come on, buddy. Like even 4 of these guys should do the job. You don't need to have too many of these, but since I have them, I'm going to put them all the way around. Okay, that's perfect right there. I don't know if you'd be able to see at this point, but the important is that we get all the shavings out of there. Okay, and you want to set the drill to the slow as you can see, guys, take this handle here. So all the shavings are cut by the magnets around, and you can see that all of them have shavings around them, which is very important, because if the shavings go inside the knuckle there, the joint, come on, then it's gonna damage your tie rod. So that is how it looks like, guys. So now I'm going to attempt and see if I can screw the grease fitting. If not, then we'll go ahead and drill one more size. So we need a bigger bit for that. Perfect. Let's try now. There is no need to tighten this too much, and that is how it should look, guys. So now I'm going to test it by feeding some, okay, there. I know that's messy and I should be using gloves, but anyways, I just want to test it to show you guys that there. No worries if you put too much, it won't hurt at all. Okay, so there you guys have it, all done. And now you can see how the rubber is all swollen by that grease we put in, and it doesn't actually go down because of it. Before, when I decided to do this, I tried to push the rubber all the way down, and it was like there was no grease at all. But there, all done. It's sturdy, it's good, and now you can reuse that. So this is the best way to do it. Anyway, so the next video coming is installing this bad boy on the car. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.